Hiya, it's Andy from Cream and Whiskers. Sunday Shave, how are you? Hopefully you're doing better. Come up to Christmas soon, aren't we? Dry fruits night, what are you doing for that one? Anything interesting? Going to display? Going to have one around the house with barbecue or bits and pieces? Yeah? No? Just gonna stay and watch everybody else's? Yeah, you know what I mean? We have a few. There's gonna be a few reviews as well on Wednesday. I'm gonna do one review for some stuff I've bought. But I'm gonna go back to doing that from Thayers of Bond Street. Here it is. If I go back there, hopefully you'll see it. That's Thayers of Bond Street, and they're coconut luxury shaving cream. Do you like that? Followed by Soho Joe Moisturiser, which you can pick up in Power Savers online and things like that. And to finish off, my fave, my absolute favourite, Floid Blue. You can't get this anymore. It's a big glass bottle. You can't get it anymore. I think they've been taken over quite a while ago. I think it was L'Oreal that's taken them over. Don't quote me on that. There is an equivalent out there, but what I can't remember. And this is beautiful. I love this. If I find out what it is, I'll leave it in the comments. In fact, I will find out because I love it. We're going to use, as usual, the ball brush. It's been soaking for about 20 minutes or so. And the old trusty Edwin Jagger Barley with a Astra Blade in it. Because every time I put a feather blade in the other one, I slice myself to buggery. And of course, the bowl. That's what this looks like inside. There isn't a lot left really. I do use this one quite a bit. It does smell of coconut. It's a sweet coconut actually. It is. I'm going to probably too much actually. So, what we've been doing this week? Working. Cold. Any other problems we've had? No. Can I just say thanks to everybody that's commenting on the bottom of my pile. Brilliant. I love it. I do try and come back to you. If you want me to try something, please do. If you want me to do a live Christmas shave on Facebook, I will do so as well. If you just want me to do a normal shave, I will do. If you want me to do it live, I don't know. That's what it's come up like. Oh, I'll try this week not to cut myself. And you might see I've got the camera at a different angle. Yeah, I'm sorting it all out. I'm getting there. I'm starting to get a bit more professional, as they say. Professional me? I don't think so. Look at that. Look at that. Didn't mix it up a lot, didn't I? There's going to be a lot here. A bit of a mention, I think. There we go. Right, let's give this up. Let's give this a whirl. Let's give this a whirl. I do like this Omega brush. It's a 49 Pro. I do like it. It's got a nice bit of a backbone to it. Some people say they smell, when you first get brushes, they smell of like a wet dog. Yep. Oh, look at the state of me. Oh, I think that's all you guys watch me for. Make sure I don't make a mess. I'm also going to get some, hopefully some new bits as well. From places. If you saw last week's one, which was Mr. Natty, it was terrible. Didn't like it one iota. People say you should soak it more, take a shot out of pack. I tried everything before I did the video, I'll tell you. And it didn't work. It didn't work one bit. Now, a week's growth, by the way. What do you guys think of these subscription boxes that are out there? There's a few out there. I know there's a few, there is a few that are American as well. I think is it dollar? I think it's about advertising radio, was it? The telly, sorry. There's a few subscription boxes. Would you get a subscription box? Or not? Are you one of these that are going, yeah. Or would you get it for someone that wants to get into shaving? I was just about to say fishing there. We get back into it. Is to take the camera with me and we can have a day on the old we can have a day on the, we can have a day on the bank. We can have a nice day on the bank. You can spend a day with me on the bank. Just doing that a lot. This is my second pass. And I still haven't got around to doing the cut slope yet. I keep meaning to do it. It's just one of those I look at it and go, do I not? Yes. And then we're going to do a upward pass. This is the third one. Some people go up, some people don't. Doesn't matter, does it? As I say, sorry about the noise, it's the fan. Get the fan sort of thing turning on. So yeah, you get the fan turning on, which is a bit of a nightmare, but I was just about to start having cut myself and I have right there. I'll be back. Told you I'll be back, didn't I? My Thayers aloe vera on. My Thayers aloe vera. Yeah, I don't know, what do you think of fireworks? Should they be banned in the UK? Should it only be displays only? Especially you've got kids or you've got animals, they can be a bit funny on it. But that's really smooth. I do like that. It's really smooth. That's the coconut from Thayers of Bond Street. Do you like that? It's lovely. Right. Moisturiser, as I said, is that one. Soho Joe's. And original moisturiser. I haven't got a website. I keep meaning to try and find out when their website's up running, but it's got a bit of a nice menthol smell to it, but not overpowering. It's not one of those ones that I've done that wrong way round, but never mind. So put your aftershave on first. That's talking to you, like that is. Weather here is not too bad. It's got a bit cold. It has got a bit cold, I would admit. But what was it? Yesterday, day before? Yeah. What was it? Yeah, Saturday, Friday, Thursday. But Thursday, it was lovely here. It was really nice. We were actually sitting out in the back garden. It shows how much it is, doesn't it? It shows how warm it is. But in the evening, it got a bit cold. But hey, what do you expect? You're by the sea. And then I'm going to be using that, which I love, which is Floid Blue. That's how it comes. I do like this. No, I found this on one of the websites which I thought was really good, so I went and bought a bottle. If it doesn't work, then I'm not losing out really, am I? It's alright, just putting it on. Oh God, behind me. That stung, even with moisturiser on. You can always reapply the moisturiser if you want. I've just done it that way today. Should I do the Van Dyke? I can't go, it's not really, is it? Should I do the Van Dyke? Yeah. That one. It's got I think I've shown you this guy, this bad boy before. It's got I don't know. You can do your beard. It's got it from Silver Crest. I can't remember it. Oh, Aldi's on the chain. Aldi's all little, yeah, it's quite a nice, I quite like it. It comes with combs and a bit and pieces, but I find when I do get long hair, I stick out like a clown, like Krusty the Clown, and it just rips my head. You might work it. So if you ever come across one, pick one up, you're alright. But I think they're only about a tenner. Probably not even now. I just came across it, so I tried it. It's actually quite good. Good for the older go to Van Dyke. Right down there, but cut a bit too short. And then at some point, have a feel. Go on, have a feel. But yeah, no, that's really nice. And I will run through what I've used. Sorry, I'm bending down to pick stuff up. I started off with the bore brush. It's the Amiga bore. It's the number 49, the Pro 49. I then used the bowl, which is a Ross Giles bowl. If you go onto his website, it tells you there. Thayers of Barley. If I do that, you might be able to see it better. Coconut. The trusty Edwin Jagger Barley with an Astra Blade in it. I then went on to use Soho Joe Moisturiser. They do a moisturiser, a face wash, and if I remember rightly, a sensitive aftershave balm. I haven't used the aftershave balm as of yet. And then my last one, I've got to put the lid on, glass bottle, 400ml. You can buy Floid, but not the blue one. You can buy their I think it's their they've got like an orangey one with your hair tone and things like that. I think that's my go-to. That's my go-to. And then we've got the ones from Poundland. So they're my go seconds. And then I've got Blue Water from Old Spice, which is in between the two. Old Spice is one that I would put on just regularly. This is when you're having a nice old shave. It lasts quite a while on the face as well. I'm surprised. It does right. It has got alcohol in it, but not extensive alcohol. It burns the face, which is cool. I'm going to start cleaning up all these. So that's it from me. Another Sunday shave over. Leave comments below. I might read them. Don't forget to ring the bell for more notifications when I do these, because I love doing these. Give a thumbs up, that'd be perfect. And if you haven't already, give it a subscribe, because the more subscribers I get, the more chance I'm going to do some competitions when I hit it. If I don't see you midweek, I will see you for another Sunday shave. Shaving should be fun, not a chore. Alright, bye bye.